always at his best. Anytime now, race number 1. And the race is on. Jungle Jingle in a knee-jerking beginning. Classical beat pressing up on the outside is Dugus Fantasy. Jungle Jingle, classical beat Dugus Fantasy. Blue Material is racing import by Daralisa Totoo Lang. And inside the last 900, Jungle Jingle by Anek, followed by Classical Beat Dugus Fantasy alongside third, and Racing Import by about 5 lengths. Blue Material sa Totoo Lang. Entry number 1, Lealtad, Len Len, and Boss G. And rounding the far turn, Jungle Jingle, this time by Hapaland, followed now by Dugus Fantasy, Classical Beat, and closing import is Blue Material as they race the final corner. Jungle Jingle, this time by about 2 lengths, followed by Dugus Fantasy. Blue Material, Len Len in between runners, and with the last 150 meters more to run, Jungle Jingle, Len Len is on the outside, moves up to grab the lead. It's now Len Len, the icebreaker. Second, Blue Material, Jungle Jingle, sa Totoo Lang, Dugus Fantasy, Pentafecta.